Before we get started, if you are wondering about any of the gears I use, you will find it linked in the description. So if you buy through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's an easy way to support the channel. Today is the 31st of July 2026, and I can assure you the heat wave is not over. However, today is much better than it was yesterday. On my clock, it is 28 degrees. There is nothing peculiar about today's shift. It's going to be the usual pickups and drop-off. Hopefully, if there are any interesting conversations with customers, you'll be the first to know. Let's get into today's shift. First trip of the day, a very short one from Thamesmead Shopping Center to Abbeywood Station. Let's get it on. That's first trip of the day completed. It was a distance of 2.98 miles. Took me 10 minutes and earned £6.25. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it on. That's trip number 2 completed. It was a distance of 1.62 miles. Took me 7 minutes and earned £7.09. That trip was on search. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 3 completed. It was a distance of 1.35 miles. Took me 10 minutes and earned £5.25. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 4. Let's get it on. That's trip number 4 completed. A distance of 2.12 miles. Took me 6 minutes and earned £4.63. I'm beginning to observe certain habits from some of these riders. Now, the last job I did was meant to be a single trip, pick up and drop off. And just before I arrived at the pickup destination, the rider changed it to multi-trip. Okay? And that's really annoying. Very, very annoying. You know? And this is now happening very often. Very, very often. Are you guys seeing that? Or is it just happening to me? Because I'm beginning to get, honestly, really, really getting on me. Let me know in the comment. Is this something that is also happening to you? Or is it just me? I must be honest, it is getting on me. I don't like it at all. You know, I don't like it at all. Anyway, moving on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's get it done. I'm finally out of my local area. My first 10 trips were local to me. It was within the Belvedere, Erith, Woolwich, Stoughton. But now I am in Camberwell. The last trip took me from Belvedere to Camberwell. It was a distance of 12 miles. Took me 1 hour, just over 1 hour, and earned £23.35. Here is the update so far. I have been driving for 4 hours and 29 minutes, completed 12 trips, and earned £118.97. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. Next trip of the day is from Southeast 22, which is where I'm currently at, and that takes me back to Greenwich, SE10. Let's get it done. That's trip number 13 completed. That was from Camberwell to Greenwich. It was a distance of 8.05 miles. Took me 39 minutes and earned £13.90. Moving on to the next one. Trip number 14. Let's get it done. That's trip number 14 completed. It was a distance of 1.58 miles. Took me 7 minutes and earned £6.08. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That last trip was from Brockley to Deptford. It was a distance of 2.96. Took me 16 minutes and earned £6.54. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. I'm still within the Deptford and Lewisham area. The last trip was 1.61 miles. Took me 13 minutes and earned £5.29. Well, here is the update so far. I have now completed, right, on my way. Let's do that. Right, here is the update so far. I have now completed 16 trips, been driving for 6 hours, and currently on £150 and 78 pence. Moving on, let's keep going. Next trip. I'm still within the Deptford and New Cross area and just completed another short trip. It was a distance of 0.83 miles. Took me 7 minutes and earned £4 and 72 pence. Another trip completed. It was from Camberwell to Rotherhithe, a distance of 2.61 miles. Took me 11 minutes and earned £7.80. £7.80. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. That's trip number 19 completed. It was a surge one actually. It was a distance of 2.41 miles. Took me 13 minutes and earned £12 and 12 pence. Moving on to the next one. Let's get it done. I'm currently in SE1 and I'm picking up from SE17, which is about 1.1 miles away. Now the rider is going to Bexley, which is about, it's disappeared now, but it's about 11 miles. And guess what? £40. Let's get it done. That last trip was the trip of the day, the trip of the year. It was a surge trip, but to my surprise, it was from Watford Road to Bexley, a distance of 11.37 miles. Took me 30 minutes and earned, guess, £40. £40 and 4 pence to be precise. Anyhow, let's keep going. Next trip. Let's get it done. That's another trip completed. It was from Sidcup to Ladywell, a distance of 7.60 miles. Took me 28 minutes and earned £13.96. Let me share a quick update with you guys. So far, I have been driving for 8 hours, 47 minutes, completed 22 trips, and total earnings at the moment is £242, 18 pence. That's me done for another day. Let's do the breakdown. Online time, 10 hours. Driving time, 8 hours, 47 minutes. Trips, 22. Tip, £8. Mileage, 109 miles. EV charge, £17 and 50 pence. Total earnings, £242 and 18 pence.